Welcome back, guys. And now we are in the second section of our discussion. And now I will continue asking the speaker tonight, and I will move to Salsa. The same question as Samantha. Do you have any experience about vigilantism?
Yes, I have seen this kind of
Vigilantism.
vigilantism before. When I was at junior high school, if I'm not mistaken, there's a guy who did some sexual harassment to my neighborhood, and that's totally bad. I think kurang ajar, to say kurang ajar ya, benar.
Impolite.
He grabbed my neighborhood out of her control, and then my neighbor screamed, asking for help to my other neighbor, and then there's a lot of people that hit that guy until he get. Of course, the perpetrators get hurt. There's a lot of blood.
Yeah, a lot of blood.
Of his head, and I don't know what to feel. I'm kind of feel very poor from him because that's up here. What to say? It's too much.
Oh, it's too much.
It's too much. I mean, you may call the police, and then police may taking him to the office, to their office, and then do the law without doing that rude perlakuan seperti itu.
Yes.
I'm feeling poor, but I do also feel some kind of madness for the perpetrators, because that's your fault. Then you may you have to tanggung your own risk. Yeah, you have to
So where do you stand for? Like, do you agree with the people who hit the man, or do you disagree about that?
Like I said before, I get confused with my own feeling, because I'm feeling poor for him too, but also I'm angry because when I hear the explanation for my neighbor who get grabbed by the guy, I also feel I'm totally angry with the perpetrators.
That's okay. Thank you very much, Salsa. So let's move to Fia. So after hearing the both experience about vigilantism, what do you think about that?
Actually, because to be honest, I've never been in that experience.
Okay.
Yeah, because maybe my safe place on my work, on my home,
good environment.
Good environment. So I don't ever in that position, and I never saw on that with my own eyes. So, but after hearing that, Samantha and Salta said their experience, I think I just feel like maybe you can just punch that person, but don't do something really harmful, like make that person dead, because it's really against our rules, like our human right. And maybe you can, like Kasamata said, syukurin. It's really, I think like it's really a good idea, because to make that rope or the rapist feel like I shouldn't do that, because our culture is vigilantism. I will be dead if I do that in that public space. Maybe that's for me what I think about your both experience.
So it can be concluded that you are 50-50 pro and contra about that?
Yes. I mean, like, you can punch that person, but don't make that person dead. That person should going to jail and punched by other prisoner.
Okay.
It's a good idea, right?
Okay, that's
Instead of
interesting.
death. Yeah.
Yeah, let's imagine like if the victim is part of your family, do you still like don't make the man die? Do you still in the stand?
Yes, I'm still on my statement. Like I will punch that guy or girl. I don't know, but I will not make that person death because he or she. I mean, let's just say they should just going to jail and spray it on that jail. Like maybe they will be punished for other prisoner. So that's why I mean, like if they are just death, it's just really easy. Like, do you think what I think?
Yeah.
That's it. Yeah. Yeah, and it's really easy. I mean, like I want to that person. If that proof that they do that, I want to that person desperate and hollow. I mean, like how to say it? Desperate in this world, like not just death accidentally. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. And how about you, Kapren? Do you have any experience?
Yeah, I have seen beside of my house.
Oh, beside of your
Yeah.
house. In
Yeah,
RSC Faisal.
yeah.
Okay.
In that case, yeah, I heard there is a screaming woman beside my room, and
Mm-hmm.
I just wondering what happened to that woman.
Mm-hmm.
So the person that in front of my house telling me that there is a how to say kekerasan rumah tangga.
How to say violence in?
Yeah, there is a violence, and directly I tell the how to say PRT.
Yeah, let's say PRT.
Yeah, just say it. And PRT come to that how to say kosan,
The boarding house.
boarding
Yeah,
house,
boarding house.
and see what happened, and my how to say
Your neighbor?
my
Family?
PRT tell me that
PRT, okay.
there is a blood
Blood.
in her cheek
Oh.
because of
Mhm.
her husband,
Okay.
and directly PRT called the police, and before the police come, her husband is run away.
Oh, but there is no people that punch or hit the man.
No, there's no.
Oh, okay. Yeah, actually, I think it's not part of vigilantism, because but it's okay. But what do you think about their experience about vigilantism?
I have same opinion with
Via?
Via. The our country is have a rule.
Yeah.
Yeah, we have to follow the rule, and don't do it like vigilantism.
Yeah, yes.
If the case like Samantha and Salsa experience,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, how to say? Just say call the police and let the police do their work.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much. So yeah, let's talk about. Oh, but before we continue, we will back after the commercial break.